This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I'm in Unit 704, a studio that looks out over Grant Park, Chicago's front yard. And here we're directly across the street from the site of the popular Lollapalooza Music Festival. In the living dining area of the studio, looking at plank flooring which extends throughout the unit, 12 to 13 foot ceilings, kitchen with good cabinet and counter space for the studio. Stainless steel appliances include a built-in microwave, dishwasher, 2-burner electric cooktop, 42-inch upper cabinets for good storage, closet off to my left, and I'm headed toward brand new bath, sleek finishes, everything is new here. You have shelving in the tub surround for your shampoo, deep soaking tub, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, designer faucet with a quartz counter and undermount sink. You have a terrific Steps to Everything South Loop location here, building with everything new, really volume spaces because of the ceiling height. Probably the most approachable rent levels in the entire South Loop. So if you're budget conscious, I'd recommend that you come out and take a look at 820 South Michigan. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info